continuation with the knowledge about soul and supreme soul. Today we will get more detailed knowledge about soul and supreme soul. As you know, point of light, that is tiny bright light particles, this soul structure. So structure of the soul is tiny bright light particle. For Shipita Paramatma, point of light, that is tiny bright light particle surrounded by Kempu Mandala, red color you can observe. So Shipita Paramatma is Sindhu Swarupa and Atma is, our soul is Bindu Swarupa. Okay. So Shipita Paramatma comes to earth to give knowledge about soul and its beginning, end, and middle. What will happen? That knowledge will come to earth to give the knowledge about soul's history. Okay, Om Shanti.